Hey Wes,
Yeah.
do you have any movies that I haven't seen yet?
Yeah, I think I do. Let's go. Let me think what we got over here. Oh, man. Have you seen Little Miss Sunshine?
No, not yet.
You haven't seen that yet?
No.
Little Miss Sunshine's awesome. What do you think?
Let me see.
Yeah. What do you think?
Looks okay.
Alright, Little Miss Sunshine it is.
You're better at this.
I know. I'm practicing.
Thank you. So you said this is good?
Yep.
Let's see.